गोयात कॅन्सर इन्स्टिट्यूट स्थापन करपा खातीर आयज गोंय सरकारान टाटा मेमोरियला वांगडा कबलात सायन केल्या। ह्या कबलाती वरवीं दर सप्तकात कॅन्सराचे ओपीडी वरवीं टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटलाचे तज्ञ दोतोर उपचार दितले। रेडिएशन, केमोथेरपी तशेंच सर्जिकल आनी कॅन्सराचे हेर उपचार आतां गोमेकोच्या सुपर स्पेशालिटी ब्लॉकात स्थापन केल्ल्या खासा ऑन्कोलॉजी विभागात उपचारा वरवीं दितले अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिली।
We need Tata Memorial to see that people of Goa don't have to run to Bombay, but we have a proper setup within the state of Goa. Lots of work has to be done. Lots of work needs to be done. Doctors also have to become very sensitive in order to identify people if at the peripheral centers. We have to work in that particular direction so that early treatment, early detection, we are able to save people's lives. Many times, let me tell you, educated people also are trying to shy away from these type of instances, as a result of which it is not only the rural poor, or it is not only the poor who doesn't understand what is happening to him, but it is the educated people also who shy away because they are in a denial mode and they do not want to accept the fact that something is going wrong with them. And as a result of which, when it comes in the front, it comes like a absolute shock to everybody that why did this happen, and then you have no answers why it happened. It happened. And as a result of which, then your mindset has to change, and it has to change in such a manner that you have to deal with a situation which earlier, if it was earlier somebody had mentioned to you, or earlier it was detected, then perhaps you would have been in a better state of giving treatment.
Under this MOU, a cancer institute will be started in the Goa to drive the sustainable growth in cancer care as per the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, in accordance with the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. Under the agreement, one experienced specialist from the Tata Medical Center will attend the oncology OPD weekly. Cancer care will be augmented by regular weekly oncology OPDs, including the radiation, the medical and surgical care. We also conduct the virtual tumor boards and teleconsultation for research, education and patient care. We will also establish the daycare facilities for the administration of the cancer chemotherapeutics. Even before the new cancer institution is commenced, the oncology OPD will begin at the GMC super specialty block. Tata Medical Center will offer the technical assistance to strengthen the prevention, early detection, treatment, rehabilitation, palliative care, academic programs and clinical research.